Right, bike build vlog part 1. I'm going to do some little voiceovers because it is mainly just clips of me and Dan putting my bike together with a hammer. So it might be good to explain a few things, and hopefully that way you'll enjoy it a bit more.
No, you can you.
See, Mummy's got a big nose.
You can you.
39.98.
How you can you.
We'll get that really old stuff. Somewhere fun. And I just couldn't get no sense out of them. They weren't lasting. You can push them off. Pops head. Pops.
Right, here's me putting the headstock bearings in with a hammer, obviously. And I actually did this the wrong way around. I put the top one in for such a stupid thing to do, because then I have to put the bottom one in and the sleeve wants to sit on it. Oh, it's so annoying. I don't know why I did it like that. I just wasn't thinking. I just wanted to get on with it.
Spreader.
Spread it, yeah. It's probably better.
Yeah, we probably do that off the pipe.
Yeah.
Make up like.
Well, the tank, if you pull the tank, it does go now, right?
Yeah, yeah,
anyway.
but like you kind of like want to get it in, get it really quite warm.
Here's me and Dan trying to put the forks in. You have to put a little, we put a little spacer in just above the top bearing, because the forks are actually a little bit wider than the opening, than the headstock. So it just takes up that space and stops the pin having to pull up so much. But obviously it means lining it up. It makes it a little bit more difficult, but I think it's worth it, and we haven't had any trouble with it in the past since we've been doing that. So that's what we do now.
Golden. Lovely. It's not been let's go. I'd rather throw up in the gym.
Yeah.
So I carried on and got to the end, and I felt honestly fucking horrendous all night. I felt like that. Put it down, so I was trying to be a pussy.
I'm doing that. Literally just been in it, I don't.
Did you go to the side door?
No, the back door.
Well, I haven't got any bolts that are long enough for that. I think I've only ever seen one, right?
No, they do a fat one and a small one.
Because I got some from David once and they're fucking good.
Really?
So. It's very close, like, to this airbox and that, all this is. One weight's about 45 quid, I suppose.
Think of a few more as well.
Huh?
So I could think of fucking a few more. I spent about 120 quid this morning. Well, I actually bought another tank.
Did you?
But I cancelled it, yeah.
Alright.
Because when I realised that you could do the thing, heating up, I was like, oh, no way. So I'm going to have a tank. No tank. But, bought like the 90 for this. That was 15 quid. And then I bought temperature sensor, 65 quid. And I can't even use the fucking thing. Jubilee clips for the front for this, all the Jubilee clips. I can't remember, I was ordering all sorts. Knee brace, Jim's knee braces turned up, 170 quid.
What were they?
Got him saying on last, second out.
Oh, right, yeah, 170.
Right. Gently.
What? I'll leave it there. Is that, what size is that drilled out to?
Just a bit bigger than the Allen head, so I don't know.
Alright. Did he drill it out already?
No, I haven't touched it. It's just
Oh.
it's his matey's thing, isn't it?
I guess you're not running the second hole.
Nah. Nah.
Lovely. Right.
Fucking throw it in the bin, piece of shit. Should we go get some chips?
Let's go get some chips. My lover.
Look at that, I made that. Is that from the factory?
That is from the factory of me. Look, this is what it looks. I can't get it out. It's well
It's
long
stuck in
before. I
there.
put extra thread on it.
Tapped
Little
it.
shanked up right. Look, put a nice tapered edge on it. It's beautiful.
Fuck's sake.
It's actually got the air.
And he will actually say, like,
Look, look.
why don't the neighbours, he doesn't understand why the neighbours don't like him and that.
It's not even that bad. It's almost like we're not here. It's going up though, isn't it? All my plastics are outside. My
Oh,
spare
yeah.
plastics are going fucking ash. Right, Harley, getting snowed back. Yeah, good. Work.
Just doing Jim's job.
Yeah, this is really, I should leave this, and then when you go practicing, probably wouldn't even realise until he rides the bike.
And then go, oh, it's slippery.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Oh. Sand training.
Bruno's doing well, isn't he?
Yay.
Fucking hell.
Who's that?
Backs, isn't it?
A pair of sausages.
Oh, get that on the vlog.
Progress update. Rear swing.
Come on, Bruno.
Back brake.
Oh, shall I share it?
Engine. Steering damper. Forks. Front forks. Front loop. Front brake's not bled up yet. Rad. Exhaust. That needs to weld up. Got me box for me suitor.
I've been drilling holes.
Dan's been drilling holes. Put my handrail on.
Yeah, that's on. Clouds pad, all good.
Yeah, it needs to be cut actually. Done my airbox. I've put my air sensor under there, which I think that looks going to be quite nice. That. Battery box. Battery.
Sidecar swing on.
Sidecar swing, sidecar shock. We haven't used a hammer all day, have we?
There's been a lot of hammers.
Lovely.
Bruno's still stuck, right?
Is he really?
Still stuck.
It's not live, is it? Is it really?
No, it's not
No.
live. I've been watching it the whole time.
Oh,
He is still stuck.
they don't know the old trick, do they?
No. Shall I share it and put Bruno flying at the test track? I reckon.